they finalized it July 7. So apparently Christina Nat didn't make it, but no. For our four Olympic aspirants, including Christina Nat, Johnny Lubas, Eric Hay, and Robin Brown, all we can say is we're proud with them. No, they've been representing us for a long time already. They've accomplished a lot already. What Pataka did is, of course, support these guys also to hopefully qualify. But regardless if they don't or they're part or not, we're just proud. No? At least we can say that we tried also. No? And they've also been in the rankings, just a bit short. That's the hirap din with and if I'm not mistaken, we're the largest also in athletics in the Southeast Asia. We have 3. In terms of athletics, in terms of athletics.
Talking about SEA Games, nag-declare na si Eric Ray ng retirement sa 2025 SEA Games. Sa inyo po sa Pataka, meron na kayong nakitang magiging kapalit niya na dito sa pwedeng 400 hurdles, tapos naka-gold pa sa 100, 200. Meron na ba kayong naka-line up na kapalit?
Well, di pa siya fully nag-announce that he will retire, but Eric's getting younger. No? As you can see, he's still been running 49 is actually older than me, but I feel like he's with this still getting younger to perform that kind of level. So kudos to that guy. The discipline, the hard work that he makes. I think you can never replace someone like that.
Just yung tulong na ibibigay natin doon sa tatlong atleta natin. Nakahanda na ba kayo kasi yung like yung weightlifting, nandoon na sila. Sa inyo ba, ano ba yung ibibigay yung support sa kanila going doon sa preparation nila for the Olympics?
Yes, basically, we've been in contact with them, whatever they need. Of course, in terms of yung polls, in terms of logistics, we already settled it already. So in terms of our hurdles, yung mga support that they'll be asking also, we've been in touch with them. So definitely we're 100% supporting these 3 athletes.
Jasper,